Alright, what's going on, you guys? It's Trent Boy, and today we're drawing Charlie from Smiling Friends. Grab yourself a pencil, grab yourself something to draw on, a sketchbook, a notebook, and let's get started. So last time I used a red pencil, and the feedback I got was it's kind of hard to see. So today we're using just a regular 2H drawing pencil. Everything is shapes, never forget that. That's the first thing. So you look at the character and you think, how do we build this character up? So first off, right, first things first is the stomach. So lightly sketch a circle for the stomach. From the top, draw down, sketch down, like a U or just a curve from the top of the circle. Make it extend over the body onto the other side and bring it back this way, just a little bit. And from the other side, just go straight up. So it should look a little something like this. We on the same page? Cool. Next, from the bottom of the body, and remember, we're still sketching lightly, 2 rectangles to represent the legs. And 2 kind of triangle ovals for the feet. Remember, sketching lightly. Don't ever forget, because we sketch lightly so we can just build the figure up. We darken what we want to keep later on. Next up is the arms. So another kind of rectangle for the arm here, right? And we're gonna place a circle underneath that for the hand. Let's put the collar of the sweater in. That would be a U shape from one side of the head to the other, but like a U swooping around. Always think of everything as not like a flat thing, but clothes curve to your body. So when you look at clothes and a person wearing a hoodie, you see that it swoops around and curves to you. So when we put in the hoodie over here, right, which is a U, we bring this line that was for the collar over behind the head, like so, because clothes wrap around your body. Same page, same page. Let's add that other hand in, rough that other hand in there. Another rectangle. And a circle for the hand. Great. All right, now the hat. The hat, base of the hat is a rectangle and an oval for the brim. From the big under the U right here, we're gonna put in his mouth. So another U put into an oval to make him smile, because it's Smiling Friends, right? Into another U, just like so. And that's his mouth. Coming down into the collar. Make sure the bottom of that chin goes into the collar. And his eyes are just 2 circles, like so. On the back of the head is his neck here. And now let's add some details to tie it all in, right? Curved line for the inner mouth, the curved line to represent the tongue. Emphasize this curve for the body, for where the body is towards the pants. And bring this pants line a little bit lower. And back here, just bring it all around also, because he's round, A line above the sweater line. Do another curved line to represent the clothes that he has underneath his sweater. It peeks out a little bit. A rectangle and a circle and an oval to represent the sweater tightening thing. I don't know what that's called, the string. Let's put a line in to differentiate the sweater from the pants. And let's put those fingers in now. He has 4 fingers. So just 4 ovals or U's to represent his fingers. And on the other hand, now back to the hat. From this rectangle, you can use that as a reference to put a curve on that little corner, right? And make it a C in there. So that'll be the front half of the hat. And from the back half of that hat, another curved C. So his hat is like two curved C's and the brim. My thing is, I feel like I made his head too wide, but it's okay. You know, this is my representation of him, so it's fine. Don't get hung up on the small details too much, you know? Art is supposed to be fun. So that's basically Charlie. He has a lot. Oh, I forgot the lines to represent the pockets. Two curved lines to represent the pockets. So that's basically Charlie. And now we have every line for him. Let's go over the lines that we want to keep now. Alright, cool. And that's Charlie from Smiling Friends. If you guys learned anything and got anything from this video, or even just drew along with me, I appreciate you. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And, you know, leave a comment on any characters you want me to make a little video on how to draw them for future videos. Alright? So I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye.